First winter wheeling season adventure here at Camp Sinawa 2020, end of January, February 1st now. We had our January 31st winter wheeling nighttime extravaganza. Here's some pictures from that. All right, so the birch tree I thought that was cleared is still across the path. It is not straight across the path, so it's very easy to catch into that. Okay, now driver, there you go. Nice, good job.
Yeah, that was way better.
Passenger, a little more passenger. There you go, good. Now driver. There you go, good, nice, good job. Good job. So here we are at the first time that we're gonna do something, and it's gonna be a good time. We got probably what, 30 rigs?
I hope we got at least 30 rigs here, Ryan.
There's quite a bit of people.
A lot of camaraderie.
Yeah, it is. You know,
yeah.
People getting to know each other. That's really a lot of fun.
I mean, it's not the best trails today, but we're not afraid to go out and have some fun.
Right.
Right.
So we got packed snow. It's compacted to the point where it might be a little slippery.
We got some rain coming now, just turning to ice, which is going to make it very interesting.
Gotta love Wisconsin, right?
Welcome to Wisconsin. Wait 10 minutes, the weather will change.
Yeah, right.
It will probably be sunny by the time we get done tonight.
So we got everybody pretty much checked in. We're gonna do a riders meeting, and then we're gonna head out on the trails and have some fun.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
All right.
We'll catch you in the next one.
So what do we got here today, Adam?
We have a blistery 38 degrees sleet day with about 30 rigs. Everybody's pretty jazzed. Last night we went out on the trails and did a little packing down. I don't think it's going to be too bad today. It warmed up enough that hopefully it'll break up as some rigs go over, and we'll have a great time. If not, we can pull some people around and learn some recovery skills.
Excellent. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Josh. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Thank you.
40. Nice.
Put on the spot.
You made it this far.
He's got to tame at the bar tonight afterwards, okay?
Yeah, that's right.
Was it 30? 35 now?
Oh, geez, 21, too.
Want to thank everybody for coming out. This is a lot of people. There's a reason we set limits on how many people we bring out to any given facility. The facility size and how many trails we have and how many ambassadors we have dictates how many people we can hold, all right? If you would like to become an ambassador and start helping us like this, there's a class in February. It's a volunteer position. You can run, patrol trails, bring groups out, and be part of the solution to getting more places like this. So we encourage you to join us in that class. All right, so we're coming across Pucker Pass Sunday morning. You're going to be the first person to try it on Sunday morning. It doesn't look too bad. That doesn't seem like it has a lot of frost on it.
Yeah.
You made this numerous times yesterday, but every day is a little different, right?
Right.
We don't know if we're puckering on Pucker Pass.
Yeah, okay. Let's see what you got. No. So, little learning moment here. Greg the Rock Hound, the Trail Builder Extreme.
Yeah.
Why are we using a tree saver on instead of just wrapping the winch rope around it?
Well, if you wrap the winch line around the tree, it's bad for the especially for the fiber rope here. It'll fray. So we use a bark saver. Save the tree, save the rope,
Excellent.
save lives. As good as that's gonna get.
And you got that synthetic line saver right here too, so if it was on a rock, wherever it's going to crest, you want to put this little piece on so that it rolls through it instead of fraying the rope itself. Okay, hold up. So again, protecting the Jeep, protecting yourself, keeping everybody safe. Using the winch gets you up in a trouble spot like this. You couldn't back down because you had that big stump. So you made the right call.
Thanks for your help.
Cleared the path for you.
I finally know why I can't get an answer. I finally know why I feel like a number. They keep a secret into their mind. They never talk even for telling lies. Make me feel at least like a monster. Make me feel at least like a fire. It seems I can't find a place to go. There's a world of things I'll never know.
Good.
Okay, you can straighten it out.
Straighten out.
There you go.
Now go forward more.
Okay.
This might fall in again because it's a little
If
far
you
over.
back up just a smidge, just a little bit. There. Now give it some gas to get over the lug. There you
Beautiful.
go.
You got her, bro.
Good job.
job.
Woo.
I think we're fine.
Okay. There you go.
We got her.
Now give it a little bit of momentum to bring your tires over. There you are. Nicely done.
But no video, Ryan.
I totally videoed it the whole time.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, turn in, yep. Turn in, turn in, turn in. There you go, good. Little momentum yet. Get that rear end over. Just a mud flap, you're good. Okay, get over there. Your vehicle's not as wide, so you have the ability to get into spaces they can't get to. Okay, put her straight. Oh yeah, you got plenty of room on this side. Momentum, give it. Okay, wait. Back up. A little bit more. There you go. Okay, stop. Now bump it over.
Turn my radio down so I can actually hear you.
Good, good, good. Okay, hold up. Bring it back a little bit. Get a little momentum so you can bump your backs over. Just a little bit. There, stop. Good, that should be enough. Give her a little. Nice, good job. Okay, hold. New problem. So with the Yodas and some of the others, you can see there's a little, what looks to be a mounting hole right down there. That's for a tie-down loop. It's not rated for actual pulling. So got to be aware, if you're going to be taking a rig out and you're going to have to do recovery, you got to know where you can safely attach to.
Keep helping them. There you go.
Keep going. Get them all the way out.
Keep going, Brian. Perfect.
So we got a soft shackle to a kinetic rope. What kind of rope is it?
Bubble rope.
It is bubble rope. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Excellent job. And this is why tow points are important, right?
Yes. It's all part of the fun.
Yep. All right, so we got a bead popped, and we're waiting for they're putting a spare tire on. So we're going to do a little video here on the what is APRS and why is it important when you got a lot of rigs all over the county or all over the property. There you can see Eric, Don, and I, we're putting our APRS beacons out, and it will show you that Eric's on Wild Rose, Group 2 looks like they're on Lori's Legend, and we are on the campsite trail. So, and if you want to do this through a program, and this is just through the website, which isn't as accurate, but if you put it into like Backcountry Navigator, you can see where they are on here usually, and cross-reference it with your map. This is a huge benefit, having your beacon out there. And what's best about this is if I'm beaconing through APRS on the ham radio, it is allowing me to communicate and see where everybody else is off grid. So I do not need cell service to be able to see where they are. And that is a huge benefit, especially when you're doing the bigger events, where you have lots of groups running lots of trails, a lot of which are not passable. So being able to see where everybody is, even when you don't know where you are, it sends the GPS coordinates between the radios, and that really helps. So get your ham license, get a radio that does APRS or a add-on little toggle thing that does it. They're relatively affordable, save you a lot of hassle. All right, so we had hit a stump. Tire was at 8 psi ish, and took the bead off the rim. So the tire came off the rim a little bit, put on the spare, jacked it up as safely as we can, got some boards to get it out of here, and we worked together as a team to make sure that this gets done safely and a little bit faster. So did we learn something? The high lift jack and the harbor freight jack?
The jack handle on the Harbor Freight jack, you cannot pull it off to use it as a cheater bar. So that would be one disadvantage to spending less. Definitely get the high lift jack.
Side of this hill, you'll want to stay pretty far right as you come down the hill. At the very bottom of it, a lot of people were kind of, their rear end was flipping out towards the tree, so just stay right a little bit.
All right, so this is a first. We have the biggest, most awesome van that we've ever had out here at Sinawa. Okay, the only van. I'm not gonna lie. Tell us what we have here.
This is a 1995 Chevy G20 van with a divorce transfer case out of a Dodge W200, so it's got 3 drive shafts in it. And the axles are 14 bolt rear and a Dana 44 front out of a 73 K20 truck. So
did you buy it or build it?
Build it.
And what inspired you to build it?
Well, the price of 4-wheel drive vans is ridiculous. So that's why I built one versus buying one.
So those things are what, 80, 100,000 bucks just for the low end ones?
Yeah, for a new one it's ridiculous, and for a used rusty one it's $15,000. So
right.
Yeah.
So how did it do out on the trails today? We were out all day, and you pretty much hit everything.
Yeah, I did everything else did. So I never had to pull the winch once, and blockers did their job, and low air pressure, and we dominated. So it was good.
Nice. What would be a word of advice that you'd give to somebody just getting into this thing or thinking about getting into it? Whether they have a van or Wrangler or Toyota, what?
My suggestion would be lockers and a winch, and go out and practice. Is what it is. You got to learn somewhere. So
right. Well, thanks for coming out and being a member and helping out.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
All right.
It's awesome.
Beautiful. Sunday morning here at Camp Sinawa for our first January. Hey, wait, my battery's almost dead. Crap. Well, make it quick. Make it quick. So we have to air down, get ready for our little Sunday ride, right? Is that what we're doing?
That's right.
Regan's like, I'm airing down. We're going.
We're going.
Why do you air down?
I'm a bad driver.
That is so not right.
My 14.5-inch wide tires will be about 18 when I'm aired down. More traction.
More traction, better ride quality.
You got it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we always have a big pump. We try to have some 120 pumps, so you don't have to use your smaller compressors that are onboard compressors. That saves wear and tear on them. And Regan knows the thing about that too, don't we? With you had the onboard compressor, and as a great trail guide, you let people use yours to air back up. But what most people don't realize is there is a cycle time that should be adhered to.
Yeah, we burned that baby up. Yeah, it's after so many tires, they're just not made for mass use.
Yeah.
So it's great for a vehicle like this. Air up, air down as you need to. But yeah, for a group, you need a big compressor. Otherwise, you're going to burn them up.
So that's why we try to keep everything, you know, have these kind of accessories when we're doing big rides, because it just saves people's wear and tear. We want you to have that, you know, your air compressor on your vehicle for when you really are going to need it, which may be way out in the middle of nowhere. So, all right, so we're going to gear up and get ready for another great day of riding. It's going to be almost 40, 50. It's crazy.
It's a beautiful day.
Just gorgeous. All right, Michelle, doing. She's like, I'm not gonna wait for the trails. We're just gonna play in the snow. Another thing to be aware of is coming up Pucker Pass. This gets really, really slippery, and it can send you into this tree. So trying to get over as far to the uphill side as you can. You know, even with monster huge sticky tires, it gets you real close to that. There's not much you can do. It's going to send you that way. No problem. If you watch Greg here, he's going to try to get over as far to the side as he can. Try and avoid falling into there. You know? And you see, he's not, if he would have held the brakes, it would have sent him into there. But he let the tires slide. He had to have traction, and a tire that's not moving has no traction. So